I'm going to order 60 days jail
What?
on the record in the matter of the, okay, let's see, and so we're recalling the matter of the City of Riverview versus Levon Cotton, 251276. All right, good morning again. Your name for the record, please.
Lamar Cotton.
Okay, all right, and sir, so you had an opportunity to speak to the prosecuting attorney again, correct?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and so there's been an amended resolution, correct?
Well, I believe so.
Okay, what is your belief?
That he gave me a plea deal that will not affect me getting my license come May. That's the only thing I'm fighting for, to be honest.
I understand that. So one way to ensure that, sir, is to stop driving. Right? If you want to get your license back in May, stop driving. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
And sir, you stated the plea on the record. Partially, it's the recommendation, the plea that the prosecutor's offered is for you to plead guilty to allowing a licensed driver to drive and responsible for double parking, and the original charge of driving with license suspended would be dismissed. Is that your understanding, sir?
yes,
All right. And as to the allowing a licensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
guilty.
And as to the double parking, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
And you've gone over your advice of rights, correct?
Yes. You mind if I ask you a question though?
Okay.
Because last time I thought I was coming with that good plea deal, and then you informed me that it wasn't as good as I thought. If these two tickets will hold me up, because he said he wouldn't the last time he said that too, and it seemed like maybe you know a little bit more about which can hold me up and which can't.
Well, sir, I can't give you legal advice.
I mean, can you tell me if them?
I can tell you that allowing a licensed driver does not abstract on your record, so long as you are making the payments that you have to make and it doesn't end up going into warrant status.
Great.
Okay? Double parking does not abstract on your driving record.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, just so you're aware, information is out there to anybody that wants it as far as which charges abstract onto your record, just so you know. Okay, so you have gone over your advice of rights, correct? And you've signed that document.
Yes.
Do you have any questions regarding that document?
No, man.
Did you review that document before you signed it?
Yes.
And you also understand, sir, by entering into a plea, you'll be waiving some of those rights.
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency.
Yes.
Knowing all of that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
Any immigration issues?
No.
All right, sir. On August 16th of 2025, were you in the city of Riverview?
Yes.
And at that time, you had police contact, correct?
Yes.
And is that because you allowed an individual that was not licensed to drive an automobile?
Yes.
And the court does find the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the amended charge and the double parking. Okay, are you looking for immediate sentencing, sir?
Oh, yeah.
Yes? Is that yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so what do you want the court to know?
That I'm poor. I'm trying to get my life together.
Let me ask this question. How did you get here today? Do not lie to me.
We did this last time.
I know, that's why I'm saying don't lie to me.
I'm a pleaded fifth. I don't know what else not. I don't know what else to do. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be my own lawyer. That's something I was saying. But you would not go. I remember last time you saying, "Did you park in the garage? I mean, in the parking lot." I did not. And then I'm gonna make sure I go to my job. I'm sorry, I'll be driving. Last time I told you, it's kind of hard for me to survive my life without driving for real.
Okay, sir. I 100% get that, right? We don't live in an area where, or a region or otherwise, where there is a strong public transportation system. Okay.
Especially
How-
if you work in Plymouth.
Well, I understand that, sir. I 100% understand that. However, driving is a privilege. There's not a legal right to drive. It's a privilege. And you don't currently have that privilege because you continue to drive. You continue to drive. So you really need to start working on your contacts, your people that you know for rides. You know nobody. You know 0 people.
I know people.
Right.
Do I know people that's gonna help me get to work every day? No.
Have you asked those people?
Yeah. I mean, I got people that at my job that will help me. I give you that. People that at my job, if I meet them at certain places, they do. And I really don't drive. I don't even own a car. I drive when I need to do something like maybe this. The court or doctor. But I pretty much from day to day don't drive. I get back and forth to work by bus and rides from my people that I work with. So it's not.
There's a bus route here. Did you look into that? No. Did you look into Uber, Lyft?
Yeah, I got that on my phone.
Yeah. So why didn't you utilize either of those?
I was trying to I had 2 court dates, one in Detroit, one here. I tried to condense all that and still make it to work on time. Because I know y'all about to give me like some prices.
Yeah.
And I owe Romulus, and then soon I'm gonna owe Detroit.
Okay.
Just trying to make as much money as I can, drive as least as I can, and not lie. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's admirable, sir.
I wish I could just get like I'm wishing. I'm not even gonna wish on record. That's a waste of time. But
Well, sir, let me just say this, right? The court will work with anybody that needs to work with. Okay, if you need a payment plan, we'll do a payment plan. However, you got yourself a really good deal so that you can get your license back in May. If you continue to drive, you are not getting your license back in May. So what you're doing every time you make the choice to drive a vehicle, I don't even know who's giving you the vehicles to drive because that's not smart on their end because they're going to lose their car. Their car could get impounded. Right?
True.
So either you do have a car that you're not being honest about and you're driving a car that you own, or people don't realize you don't have a valid license and are letting you to
They
drive.
know, they know, and I didn't explain it in a manner where they know they helping me, and they know if I do get it impounded, I got the money to get it unimpounded.
Okay.
Not that that makes sense, but you know what I mean?
Well, right, but they're risking themselves because let's just say this, sir. Okay. If you end up getting in an accident and you're at fault, do you know insurance isn't covering that? And they're coming after the owner of the vehicle? Right? So that's a big risk for the owner of the vehicle. So who's the owner of this vehicle that you're going to contact so they can come pick up their own car?
Chick named Jasmine.
A chick named Jasmine. Okay. Well, if Jasmine's letting you use her car, hopefully, she's above chick status and there might be she's a friend of yours. I don't know. But in any event, sir, contact Jasmine and have her bring somebody else with her.
All right.
Well, she's gonna have to Uber here to get her car and drive you somewhere, which is you should have just Ubered.
Tough life I'm living that day.
Right. And is that because you didn't pay tickets at some point and then you got suspended?
No, I just kept. I'm always good with like going to court and paying tickets. When I had my license, I had insurance and I had everything. I had this great sense of pride where police couldn't talk to me and touch me, and I was an asshole.
Okay, well, I appreciate your honesty, but we're still on the record.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
So when you get pulled over and you get that kind of disposition, they write whatever ticket they can. It's not like, oh, he an okay guy. Let's not do everything. So, I mean, my attitude made them write a bunch of tickets. And it pile up. After it pile up so long, they don't care that you keep paying them tickets. You get too many points.
Correct.
And they write me stuff like, one time, my tire spit that much. They wrote me a reckless driver ticket, like, but they can, I guess.
Okay.
Now how I've learned that you gotta just be like, not so against the police. It's not one of them. It's not one of them battles you probably go win.
Here's what I'm going to do for you, sir. Okay. How much do you owe in Romulus?
690.
How much do you owe in Detroit?
0 yet, but I'm like,
Well, you're going to owe some money.
I'm actually in court on Zoom kind of.
Oh, okay. Here's what I'm going to do, sir. I'm going to give you a gift. You may not look at it as a gift, but I'm going to give you a gift. Okay?
I think
You seem very apprehensive.
I'm nervous.
Okay.
Judge said they're gonna give me a gift.
I'm going to order 60 days jail.
What?
Relax, relax. I'm going to suspend that jail. Okay? We're going to do a jail review in 60 days where you're not going to drive here. We're going to see what other matters you've cleared up, and then we'll go from there.
I appreciate it.
If you continue to do that, right, don't drive, which means you'll be bringing in your Uber receipts for how you're getting to and from work. And if you're making your other payments on your other matters, then I will waive your fines and costs in this manner. That's dependent upon you not driving.
I got you. My word, no drive.
So if you want to stay out of jail and you want to not have to pay extra fines and costs here, and you want to get your license back in May, stop driving.
I appreciate it.
So you better make sure you're keeping proof of all those Uber and Lyft receipts. Got it?
I got you.
And also your court receipts from your other matters that you've paid. And then we'll do a jail review. January 13th.
Perfect.
Good way to start off the new year. I'm sorry, not the 13th, the 12th. Good way to start off the new year, not driving to court.
I got you.
Got it? What time works better for you?
The earlier the better.
Perfect. 8:30? Do not drive out of the city of Wyandotte, because something tells me you parked your car somewhere and you walked here from where you parked it. Do not drive out of the city of Wyandotte. Better call Jasmine, have her get an Uber down here, pay for her Uber down here, which is probably what you should do. And then the two of you can ride out of the city together with her driving the car. Got it?
Got you.
You do not want to risk driving. Got it?
Got you.
See, I'm onto you.
I appreciate. Can I ask you? Well, is this still on the record?
Well, we can go off the record. Okay.
Can we go on off the record?
Okay.
Do you think I would have got this same type of deal if I would have had somebody else like representing?
You could have.
Believe.
Well, I can tell you that the two attorneys sitting there get those types of deals all the time. So
Absolutely.
you're welcome. Have a good day.
Law school. Do I get a paper? Do I get a copy of the paper where I got to come to court?
No, I just told you. So you have to put it in your phone.
Have a good day.
You're welcome.
That was January 12th, 8:30.
Yes, sir. Do not drive. Okay. We'll call language line now.